This is my 2011 Mac Mini with an i7 2GHz Intel Core processor in them. You know, this is the one before Apple decided to solder everything to everything. Now, I'm going to take these two Samsung SSHDs, 128 gigs each. I'm going to RAID them together in RAID 0, and I'm going to add 16 gigs of RAM. And this thing should fly. Now, with the standard hard drives, this boot takes forever, and as you can see, it takes well over a minute to boot. I'm going to see if we can significantly improve that by using two SSDs, RAIDing them together, and getting total read-write speeds of nuclear proportions. Now, this machine was quite difficult to take apart, actually quite possibly one of the more difficult machines I've done to date, and I'm used to taking computers apart. To even get close to installing both the hard drives, you actually need to take everything out of this case. You need to strip it down to its naked bare bones, and then and only then can you quite easily install the hard drives. You can see here I'm struggling to remove the motherboard from the case, and I discovered two little screws that stopped it from happening. There's the main board coming out, and now I've got to take out the second hard drive caddy and the power supply. This took me a while to work out as well, and realised that all you needed to do was just turn this little plastic bit which held the power supply in place, and then the whole thing could slide out. Now obviously I had to do all of this in reverse, taking out the old hard drives and putting in the new hard drives. It took me probably a good couple of hours to get the whole machine back together. But look at this boot time. It is phenomenal. The original boot time was well over a minute, and on this one I'm just getting just over 20 seconds. So the speed improve has been significant. Anyway, if you have been watching this, I greatly appreciate it. Please rate, click and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.